Hello, my name is Ryan Cornell. I'm a third generation Cornell at ABC Companies, and today we're going to look at this beautiful 2026 CX35. Come on. We've got this beautiful backlit Van Hool emblem. This is going to be standard on 27 models going forward. It is retrofittable now on older equipment, and it looks fantastic at night. I'm going to drop the bumper and show you how accessible these headlights are, how easy it is to change them. So give me 1 second. Or you can follow, it's up to you. So you open this, there's the bumper lever, very easy. Okay, so it's just a little toggle little handle here that pops out. And then if you come behind on this side, you can see that it is very accessible and easy to work on. Each one is one piece, so if a light goes out, you can change them one at a time versus having to change this whole part. So it's a cost-effective, easier way to handle something like that. Okay. Got our beautiful wrap here from ABC Graphics. We can do as much or as little as somebody wants by way of design, installation. Sky's the limit when it comes to graphics. We've got diesel fill on both sides of the coach, driver's side and curbside. This coach has the tail swing monitoring system, which is very nice. There's one on each side of the vehicle and there's one on the engine door. So the field of vision helps protect the back of the coach. On the interior, which we will show when we go in there, there are lights that will light up. They're green when you're clear, and they turn red when there's something in the way, and they make a little noise. This is for DEF. We've also got DEF on both sides of the vehicle, which is very convenient because if anybody is a driver, which I know a lot of you are, and you go to a truck stop, this is the side you need to go in on. Okay, this is a beautiful option we went to in 2023. A swing out radiator, which allows you to get access to the after treatment system very easily. And then there's a little, there you go, holds it open, and there you have it. Tons of space to get in there, work around. Whoop. And then here's the other sensor for the tail swing monitoring. And then let's open the engine door. All right, so it's very open and spacious. It's a mechanic-friendly vehicle. Coolant fill here. It used to be up on the door, on the pillar there. We went to this air-operated dump valve system. So you go from the upper tank to the lower tank and then the lower tank out. We've always had this. If you need to jump it, put it there. Here's the ground. Toilet fill, same setup as always. A backup camera is standard on all of our CX45s. A wheelchair lift door comes on every CX45, so you can decide in the future, do you want to put a wheelchair lift in there or not? Again, we've got the DEF on this side. Diesel. And something nice we have on this model, this is a demo spec. We've got this Van Hool puddle light. So when you come in here, you'll notice that everything is black and or stainless. So we switched to this because it not only does it look amazing, it looks very high end, but it also wears very well. So we're very happy with this. Okay. Got this very spacious cockpit for the drivers. Got a ergonomical wraparound driver's area. This vehicle has the e-mirrors, which is a fantastic option. And then these are the little sensors I was talking about for the tail swing. Put that up so we have more light. Let's see, what else do we have here? This screen is nice for the blinkers. It turns the whole screen into show the side of the vehicle, which is absolutely fantastic option. Thank you. We have our new BG seat. So this seat is heated, it's cooled, and it does lumbar support. Does everything but make you a cup of coffee, basically. All right. So this is what we call a modified contoured parcel rack setup. So when you walk in here, it is very open and bright. So you come in here and you don't feel closed in and dark like you're, like, oh man, riding the bus. It's a nice welcoming feeling. So these are 23-inch flat screen monitors, and then we have 615 throughout the vehicle hanging under the parcel rack setup like a standard setup. This is our standard fabric, this leatherette on the parcel rack doors and on the ceiling. So what's nice about it is that you can just wipe it clean when it gets dirty, because it's not a fabric, so it's not holding in the dirt and everything. These are our keel seats. These are our standard seats. However, these have an upgraded finish. So this is a full leatherette seat with the flaps and the diamond stitching. We've also got the nice flexible cup holders here, which cup holders have come a long way. We have the nice wide plank wood floor, which is our standard floor. It hides dirt well, and it just looks nice. And then I would like to show you the restroom, because we have a fantastic restroom in this vehicle. Thank you. Passing through, sorry. On the way back to the restroom, you see these panels in the floor. These open to give you your mechanics access to the transmission and the engine from the top half of it. Again, this is a very mechanic-friendly vehicle. Okay. So please take a look in there. So this rear window is standard. So there's always natural light in there. And then we did this nice finish, sort of textured looking finish. It's not textured, it's smooth, but it looks a little bit textured, so it just wears better than the old one. And then this rear window, again, when you're outside, gives you a bunch of natural light, so it's not a bad seat to be back here. It's not dark, with the light finishings and then the rear window and all the light that comes in from it. It's every seat in the vehicle is nice. So we are here until Saturday, and so we invite you to come over and check us out, get a tour of the vehicle in person if you're here, or reach out to your local ABC representative and come by and check us out.